In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use charts in Monday.com. We'll start on the Monday.com home. From here, head to your workspaces to choose where you want to build your chart. Pick the workspace that contains the board you want to visualize, then open that board. This keeps your chart tied directly to the data you're already tracking, so any updates on the board will be reflected in your visuals automatically. Once the board is open, look for the plus icon to add a new view. Select Chart from the list. This creates a dedicated chart view connected to your board. If your chart looks empty at first, that's normal. Charts are driven by the data in your items and columns, so we'll add or update an item to give the chart something to work with. Click New Item. Type a clear name so it's easy to identify later in your reports. Choose the appropriate group to organize where this item lives on your board. Assign a person to make ownership explicit. This is great for charts that break down work by teammate. Set a status to reflect the item's current stage, then add a date to anchor it in time for any timeline or time-based views. Add another status if your board tracks a second dimension like priority or risk. When you're done, click Create Item. You can repeat this with a few more items if you want a richer sample for your first chart. Back in the chart view, use the configuration panel to choose what to visualize. For example, group by status to see how many items are in each stage, or group by person to spot workload distribution. Most chart views let you count items or sum a numbers column. Pick the chart type, bar, line, or pie, based on what tells your story most clearly. If something doesn't look right, check that your columns are using the correct types and that your items have values set. To expand your insights on the same page, click Add Widget. This opens a gallery of visualization options that work alongside your chart. Explore Chart, Numbers, Battery, Gantt, and File Gallery. Charts are for comparisons and trends. Numbers highlight key metrics at a glance. Battery gives you a progress-style overview of statuses. Gantt is perfect for timelines and dependencies, and File Gallery collects attachments in one place. Click through these to see their previews and how they complement your chart. For now, keep Chart selected if that's your focus, and fine-tune your settings until the view reflects exactly what you need. That's it. Your chart is now connected to live board data and ready to share with your team.